Are you tired of trading your time for money? Make money even while you're sleeping with any of these 4 business ideas I'll be sharing in this video. You get to work once and earn forever. If you're new here, my name is Anne. I'm a chartered accountant with years of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, and on this channel, I share videos on all things money. How you can make more money, how you can save better, how you can invest profitably. So if that sounds like what you love to keep seeing, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video that you will like. In my previous video here, I showed you 5 business ideas that you can do for daily income. And in this video here, I shared 5 dividend stocks you can invest in to make dividend income every single month. But with these business ideas, you are limited in the sense that you need to work every day in order to make money. And any day you stop working, your income stops. And with these dividend stocks, you need to invest multiple millions on a consistent basis in order to start earning substantial income. And that is why I thought to bring you this video to show you 4 business ideas that you need to work once and you can keep earning even when you take a break. The first one is for you to create a template or a guide. This is a pre-designed format that can be used to achieve the same results over and over again. For example, I've been getting lots and lots of questions from people asking me to help them with their budgeting. They tell me that they don't know what happens to their money after it's paid and they need help on how to apportion their money into their various needs. So I thought of designing a template to help them achieve this. So this can be in form of a spreadsheet that tells them exactly where their money needs to go as soon as they're paid. Let me know in the comment section if this is something you like. I plan to apportion it into different sheets for different income levels. So one sheet will be for those earning below 100,000, then another sheet will be from 100,000 to maybe 300,000, and that sheet will be from 300 to 500, and that sheet will be from 500 to 1 million, and then 1 million and above. I plan to make it this way so that you don't have to buy it again when your income improves. Supposing you were earning between 100 to 300 and then your income increased to 500, all you have to do is change from that sheet to the next sheet and you can continue using it without having to come back to buy it again and again. So it is a one-time purchase for life. Another reason why I would like to design it this way is so that if you have different income categories, for example, you have a 9-to-5 job and you also have a business or even have 2 businesses. Like me, I have a full 9-to-5 job and I also have like 2-3 businesses. And these businesses don't have the same earning, they're not in the same earning bracket. So I can use these different sheets to apportion these different income categories, okay? And I plan to make it very affordable, less than 5,000 naira, that is less than $4, okay? Drop it in the comment section below. If I make this template available, will you buy it? If I see a lot of people telling me to go ahead, then I'll quickly work on it and produce it for you. Like I said, it will be very affordable. So you need to ask yourself what you can create in a template or guide form. For example, many years ago, I needed help with my social media posts for one of my businesses. So I saw this lady online selling social media posting templates. So the template tells you what to post on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, for different days of the week for a full month. And guess what? I bought it and it was really, really helpful because for every day of the month, for the first, for the second, for the third, I knew exactly what to post and I knew the topic that I was going to post on. If it was going to be an educational post or an inspiring post, or a motivational post, I knew exactly what to post every day. So that social media template or guide was really, really helpful. So a guide is something that can also tell you the step-by-step process on how to do something. Some time ago, I was scrolling through social media and I saw this post made by a lady that traveled to a new country. And she said that she found out that it was a crime to chew gum, normal chewing gum. It was actually a crime to be found on the streets chewing gum. You can be arrested and locked up. No kidding. I was very shocked when I heard this. So you can imagine if somebody produces a guide that will guide you on the do and don'ts of any given country. Now, if I want to travel to that country, for example, especially for the first time, I would definitely want to purchase a guide like that to make sure that I don't get into trouble in that country. So templates and guides are things that you just create once and then you keep on selling it over and over again. You don't have to go back to create it again and again. No, you just do that once and then you can sell it again and again. You can create templates and guides to help people on how to, create a perfect business plan, how to draft their CV in a very good way. It can be for a fitness routine, skincare routine. You can create templates and guides for anything that you are good at. So think about what people ask you questions about, what people always come to you to get information from, and you can create a template or a guide on this. When you choose a topic to create your template or guide on, you head over to Canva. Now, Canva is very helpful because when you get there, you see already made templates, already made samples. All you have to do is edit them to suit what you want to achieve. And when your template or guide is ready, you can head over to Seller to market it and sell it. Now, Seller is a very helpful platform. I currently use them and they are very reliable. So what Seller does for you is that it hosts the template or the guide on their website, and when anybody comes to pay you, they will on their own deliver the template or guide to them. So you don't have to do anything again. All you have to do is you can be busy sleeping or driving or doing anything, and you just get a notification that someone has purchased your template or your guide. Seller will be the one to deliver it to them. And Seller is completely free to use. You only pay when you make a sale. You only pay a very little, tiny percentage of the amount of money you make per sale. So go ahead and create your template or your guide and post it on your various social media platforms and start making money. One thing about templates is that you can sell it for years and years. Like you can create a template in 2024 and in 2030, you are still selling that same template. So it is a work once type of business. And that brings us to our second business idea, which is very similar to the first, and that is you creating an ebook. This is where you create a book, not a physical book, but a digital one, and you sell it online. Everything is purely online. You don't have to go through delivery addresses or delivery agents, nothing, no tangible product. Everything is online. As long as you know something that other people don't know, and even if they do, they don't know it the way you know it, you can package that knowledge into an ebook and sell it to make lots of money from it. Like the other one we mentioned with templates and guides, you only have to create this ebook once. You write the book and you package it and you can sell it for years and years and years to come. So once you see an area that people need help with or have a problem with, you can create a solution in the form of an ebook. And I'm not just telling you these things, I am currently practicing it. I have an ebook titled The 5 Investments You Can Make with Less Than 10,000 Naira. Some months ago, I made this video titled The 5 Investments That You Can Make with Less Than 10,000 Naira. And this video is doing really well. I know that a lot of you watching me probably came from that video. You see, that video brought a lot of questions to me. People were coming to my Facebook, to my Instagram, to my LinkedIn, to my WhatsApp, asking me 1 or 2 things that they needed clarity from the video. And that got me thinking. I realized that people didn't want to go back to the video to watch it again and again to get their answers. So I thought of packaging it in an ebook. That way, when they are going about these investments and they have any area they need clarity, they don't have to go back to the video or even come to ask me. They can simply go to the ebook on their phone, on their laptop, on any mobile device and get their questions answered. This ebook is a step-by-step guide to guide you through all the investments I mentioned and even more. Yes, I added bonus investments that you can start. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start from, but you want to start your savings and investment journey, that ebook is for you. Even if you've started your investing, but you don't know if you're on the right track, you just want to check and also add to your knowledge, this is the right ebook for you. And guess what? This is going to be the perfect gift for that special someone that you want to encourage in their financial journey. I have also made it very, very affordable. So grab yours by going to the description. The link is going to be there. I will also put the link in the comment section for you to quickly head over to Seller and buy it. So with an ebook, you get to work once. It can take you some days or some hours to create your ebook. Canva makes this very easy because like I said earlier, when you head over to Canva, you're going to see existing templates, other kind of ebooks too. So all you have to do is pick a design that you like, a fanciful one that you feel is going to suit what you want to do, and simply edit it with the information you have to offer. When your ebook is ready, you head over to Seller and market it and host it there. When anybody buys your products, you can be doing anything. You can be sleeping, you can be doing anything. You will just get a notification that someone has bought your ebook. Seller will be the one to handle it, nothing else. Like you don't even have to bother with knowing who is the person buying your book. seller will automatically deliver it to them. Like, I must tell you that this is a beautiful way to make money. I can just be in the kitchen, I can be spending time with my husband or with my kids, and I will just be getting notifications that people are buying my ebooks. Very wonderful. You can create anything from hair care for natural or relaxed hair, children's education, relocation, video editing. You can teach anything in an ebook. Just make sure you offer value and people actually find solution when they go through your ebook. You then go on to use your existing social media handles to drive traffic to your seller page. So an ebook is something that you can create once and then you keep on selling it over and over and over for years to come. The next business idea we're going to be looking at is content creation with affiliate marketing. I know you don't have to say it. I know that content creation is a full-time job. It's not really something that you can just do passively. But wait, there's a way you can do it. With content creation, you have to script your content. If it is a video, then you have to shoot it and go on to edit it. Now you can save yourself time by batch creating your content. In fact, this is what almost all the top content creators do. They don't create every single day. They batch create. For example, on the day that I'm shooting this video, I'm going to be shooting more than one video. I can do 3, 4, 5 as much as I can per sitting. Then I can take my time and start to edit later, or I can even pay someone to edit it for me. When I'm done, I can use scheduling apps like Later or so many other scheduling apps out there to schedule these posts to different social media platforms. If you're not into video content creation, you can also write out all the contents you have for different days of the week and schedule it with a scheduling app to all the social media platforms you need to post them to. That way you can face other things you do, like someone like me that has a full-time job and has more than one business. I can't really be shooting videos or creating content on a daily basis. So I batch create and then I schedule. The passive income of this idea comes from the affiliate marketing part of it. Now, with affiliate marketing, you earn commissions when you recommend products to other people and they buy. Now, these are products that you probably already use and you love. When you recommend it to people and they buy using your special link, you get paid without any extra cost to them. So remember the content I talked about earlier? Good. When you're creating and posting this content online, you will put these affiliate links in them. Once you do this, you're okay. For life, anytime someone comes across that content and clicks on that link and buys what you recommended, you will get paid. This is something that I have earned a lot of money from. You see, a few weeks ago, I took a break from content creation, from YouTube, from all social media to focus on my MBA exams. Yes, I'm currently running an MBA program specializing in finance and investments. So for about 3 weeks, I did not do any creating, I did not do any scripting, any shooting, any editing. I was just facing my studies. But guess what? People kept on clicking on the affiliate links that I've dropped on different social media platforms, especially on YouTube, and I was getting payment notifications almost on a daily basis. See guys, I don't talk about what I have not tasted, what I have not enjoyed. Making money from this content creation and affiliate marketing is sweet, because while I was away doing something else and not even caring about my social media presence, my effort that I had already put months ago, weeks ago, was still earning money for me. I can just think about it like I can even be gone for a year and people will still find my contents online, click on these affiliate links, and I will make money wherever I am. It was simply amazing that I could actually wake up from sleep and see that I have made money maybe by 1 a.m., by 2 a.m. while I was deep asleep, simply because I took advantage of this affiliate marketing link in my social media contents. And you're not limited to YouTube. You can have a blog or you can make use of other social media platforms. But the reason I love YouTube is that I believe that content here never dies. Your videos keep getting recommended months and years after you initially posted them. And in case if you're shy and because of that you want to shy away from YouTube, then you can create a faceless YouTube channel. I'm sure you must have come across that. So these are channels that you don't see anybody's face. You can just see graphics or different videos put together and then somebody is talking in the background. Some people even go to the extent of using AI. What I'm trying to say here is that you don't have any reason not to start creating content and embedding affiliate marketing links in your content. Affiliate marketing is actually very popular online now, so you can actually register on some platforms. Some of them are free and some of them are paid, and you can get to choose the products you want to market. Let me know if you would like to market my ebook and I will give you an affiliate link for you to do that and earn a commission. So there are so many affiliate marketing websites here in Nigeria and even outside Nigeria where you can get links that you can market to make money. So depending on the topics that you normally talk about in your content creation, you should find products that are related to that topic so that it's going to be very easy for you to link people to your product link. Please note that affiliate marketing is not limited to digital products. They can also be physical products. The main thing is that you are not the one to deliver these products. Your own is just to offer the link and be the one that introduces the buyer to the seller. The seller will be the one to handle the delivery, get the product to the customer, be it a physical product or a digital product, and you get paid your commission. The next business idea we're going to be looking at is creating online courses, usually in video formats. Just like how you package your knowledge into an ebook, here you're packaging your knowledge into a video course. It can be a series of videos like part 1, part 2, beginner level, intermediate level. How many of you have purchased online courses? I know I have, many times and on different topics. So you shoot and edit it once and then you go on to sell it over and over for years to come. As long as the content in that online course is still relevant, you can keep on selling it over and over again. You can talk about it in your social media handles and you can also run adverts to it. Make sure that you're offering value in these online courses and that your videos are clear. A good product will always sell itself. For any of these 4 businesses I mentioned, one thing is very important. You need an online presence. So for video, you can pick YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And for writing, you can pick Twitter, Threads, or LinkedIn. You need to be able to maintain and grow a social media following. Good news is that you can actually do this part-time because like I told you, I'm running this part-time myself. I have a full-time job and I also have other businesses that I am doing alongside with my YouTube and other social media handles that I'm currently posting on. Let's start using social media as an asset, not just for entertainment or learning. Use it to make money. These are not get quick rich schemes. You need to put in the initial work to create, to talk about them and to promote them. But I can promise you that in the long run, it is worth it 100%. I am a living testimony of this. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 4 businesses you'll be giving a go today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on how you can make more money and grow your money. Till I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. Bye for now.